Hello Baskin friends, today we're making something very simple. We have roasted chicken on the menu. We are definitely going to start by cleaning our chicken. For the first wash, I used apple cider vinegar and salt water. I let it soak for a few minutes, then rinse like there is no tomorrow, honey. For the second wash, I used sour orange and water, then rinsed away. If you're wondering what this is or where you can get it, sour orange is exactly how it sounds, and you can get this at almost any international market. I'm adding a squeeze of that sour orange, and now we are adding our seasonings, which I will list down in the description box. Worcestershire sauce, wasasaka. You can use this before and after the chicken is cooked. If you want the recipe for the wasasaka, comment down below. Also added some sriracha and some sofrito. There are a couple of ingredients you don't see me using on this video, but I will list them down in the description box. For this recipe, I used chicken quarters and chicken legs. Massage the seasonings into the chicken like it's at a Thai massage parlor with a gift card, honey. Take your time with her as you want her to be soft and juicy. Now it's ready to be put into the pan. I used a glass Pyrex pan and put in as many as would fit, just giving it a tiny little bit of room between each piece. Put into the oven at about 425 degrees for about 1 to 1.5 hours, depending on the size of the chicken and the amount of chicken that you have, honestly. While that is cooking, I decided to cook me some simple corn on the cob and some green beans to go with my meal. If you're new to my channel, I have so many other video recipes and step-by-step and how-to videos. I also have a skincare section on this channel and working on some vlogs that I would be dropping either monthly or bi-weekly. I encourage you to check those out. They're just very fun, and if you want to get to know me more, that's a great way to do it. Anyways, that is it. It's ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please thumbs up, share, and comment down below what you would like to see me cook next. And please consider subscribing. Thank you. Bye.
Make a big man turn to the kid. Shout out skull when I splat up wigs. Never seen exes with your eyes closed. Don't move past girls behind your eyelid. Bars and flows, check out their mixture. Tell them man can't handle the fixture. It's all funny games to the person saying it's all funny games. Get beat up and cocked out the picture. Must be active if you think you can wig me. I'll tell my man put down the liquor.